The life of a house cat. How simple. Just look at this one, running to the bathroom and he hears the water bowl getting filled. Once the water bowl is placed, the cat walks to it and starts to take a sip. Once the water bowl is filled, the owner goes to fill up the cat's food. The cat himself doesn't seem to care about the food, but the sound it makes. The owner notices this himself. Sure, that may be the life of a young kitten, but the life of an old cat is very different. In her old age, this cat prefers to lay down, only moving if she needs food or water. Here we are, back at the food. Neither the young kitten or the wise old cat seem to have wanted to eat while they had the chance. No worries. In the cat's mind, the food will magically refill at some point with or without the owner's help. But now, it is time for the kitten to sleep. After a long nap, everyone is awake. The kitten plays, while the wise old cat watches the owners get ready for the day.